All right, y'all, so we just got to the hotel here in Bali, but I'm gonna show you guys this view. It's views like this, y'all, that makes you just want to continue traveling and seeing the world. So as you guys can see, it's like this little walkway, and you can sit like in this little seating area in the middle of this huge, almost like infinity pool or pond, which is very dope. So definitely gonna be coming out here to check this out. So it's 4 a.m. here in Bali, guys, and we're about to get this workout in. There's no excuse. No excuse, guys. I don't care if you're traveling or sitting at home. You got to make sure you get that workout in. So that being said, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. If you're new to the channel, my name is Lane Jackson. Thank you for stopping by, checking out the channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button before you leave. And if you guys enjoy the content, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. And I'm going to quit talking and get into this workout.
What's going on, everyone? Welcome to the commentary portion of this video. Just want to take a moment and talk to you guys about working out while you're on vacation. Just trying to get some kind of workout in. Being that hotel gyms are not the greatest, I know sometimes it can be a struggle, and especially when you're on vacation, you're not really focusing on working out, but I think it's very important to try to get a few sessions in, all right? So I'm currently here in Bali. It's 3:30 in the morning. I cannot sleep. I will say this place is so beautiful, guys, and it's just amazing, and the people are nice, and I'm just extremely loving it here. Like, I'm really loving it here. But I want to talk to you guys about the things I do as far as working out when I'm traveling, because at the end of the day, guys, I'm enjoying the actual experience itself. I'm enjoying the food, the culture. So I'm not focusing on a strict diet. I try to eat clean. It's probably about 50-50. I try to eat clean, but I also want to enjoy the foods. So I got up, decided to do about 45 minutes of fasted cardio, start off with a 2-mile run, and then finish the rest walking on a treadmill at a 15% incline. And then I went straight into a fasted workout. So the best advice I can give you guys, because we all know at the end of the day, when it comes to the hotel gyms, they're not the greatest. A lot of them don't have machines or any like weightlifting stuff, but if they do, that's a bonus. But if they have cardio, definitely try to get the cardio in, and then you can do some body weight stuff. So this hotel actually had a decent gym, had a sauna, steam room. I actually utilized the sauna. But what I was doing these past few days, basically I would get up, do some cardio, bang out about 30 minutes, 45 minutes, depending on how I'm feeling. Just basically trying to sweat a lot. And then I hit the weights, did a full body circuit, basically doing like 2 chest movements, 2 leg movements, 2 shoulder movements, 2 back movements. You get where I'm going. And I just did supersets. So basically right now, you guys just saw me do like a machine chest press, and then I superset it with these cable flies. And the whole purpose of this, guys, is just basically to burn some calories, keep the heart rate up, flush out a lot of sodium, because you want to definitely get the sodium out, especially when you're eating a lot of, like, not gonna say junk food, but where I was at, it was just a lot of good food, like Asian style food, Indonesian style food, so it's high in sodium. So I definitely was trying to just keep the water weight down, and just try to burn some calories, because I know how I get. So I went and did 2 chest exercises, and I did 4 sets around 15 to 20 reps. Not really trying to go in there and lift heavy, guys, because again, this is a fasted workout. The main goal is just to get some blood flowing through the muscles, keep the muscles activated, and just stay active, period. After that, I jumped straight into this, it's like a seated leg curl. I don't know if you guys can really make it out, but then I went into the next movement, which was leg extensions, and again, focusing around 4 sets. If I'm feeling really good, I'll hit about 5, maybe 6 sets, and focusing on higher reps. Not using heavy weight because, again, this is fasted and we're not trying to break down the muscle. We're just trying to maintain, you know, the activation of the muscle, maintain the muscle size that we have, guys. Now, if you have time, by all means, eat a meal, then go work out. But for me, you know, while I'm on vacation, I definitely want to try to get my workout first thing in the morning because we was torn all day. And then you just want to relax all day. You don't want to have to, like, in the middle of your vacation day, go work out. Or you can do it at night, too. It's up to you. But I like to get up early in the morning before the day gets started and jump straight into it. Next, I did like this lat pull down machine, which I actually really like this machine a lot. I wish I could take this machine home with me. It's a pin loaded machine. The angle is perfect. And I think I actually hit about 6 sets on that. Then after that, went straight into barbell like rows on the Smith machine that they have in the gym, which is pretty dope. It's a pretty clean Smith machine. It's like a free motion Smith machine. So I did rows. I did, I think I hit 12 reps. The weight was a little heavy. I probably could have dropped the weight, but I managed to bang out about 12 reps. So I just, you know, kept the weight. Plus I was too, like, I didn't feel like changing out the plates, honestly. So I banged out, I think about 6 sets, I believe, on the back portion of this workout. And then next we went straight into some shoulders. And they had this shoulder press machine, which the form on it feels a little weird. But I kind of like positioned my back on the pad, and I kind of put it like a arch in my lower back. It's kind of hard to explain without you guys seeing. I wish I had someone there to record so you can see the side angle. But I positioned my body on the machine where it actually activated my shoulders a little more, and it felt good. Then after that, I went to some side lateral raises. Because again, I'm not trying to like kill myself, or like, we're not trying to build muscle. We're just trying to maintain what we have. And for me, I pick exercises that I can feel. I pick exercises I feel that will help work on my lagging points in my body, and definitely trying to get the shoulders. So I want to get the shoulders rounder. So I definitely want to do some side lateral raises. And that'll pretty much conclude the workout portion of the video. So before we conclude this video, guys, I just want to talk to you guys real quick about just, you know, traveling and seeing the world, man. Invest in like just experiences in life. We only live on this earth one time, guys, and you know, material things come and go. Experiences is something that is priceless. And this trip, my South Africa trip made me realize that when I went to South Africa a couple of years ago for 2 weeks, you know, we toured the whole South Africa, and you know, we went to Dubai after that, and just being able to see all the beautiful places, learn the cultures, it's just amazing. And I think investing in something like that versus material things is way better, guys. So I challenge you guys just to get out and, you know, get a passport and pick a location on the globe, save up and go there, man, and just live life the way it's supposed to be lived. But I hope you guys enjoy the footage, the clips, the content, everything. I appreciate the love and support. You guys are amazing, man. I thank you so much, and I'm gonna go ahead and get these videos rolling more because I'm gonna actually start my contest prep. But before we close out this video, I want to show you guys a clip here that's about to come up. But these local monkeys, I went on a tour at a temple, and these monkeys, these wild monkeys, they will take anything loose off you. So when you go to this temple, it's best to like have nothing out, nothing, no phones, no jewelry, nothing. So this monkey took this lady's cell phone, and he's like tearing it up. So the local guys, what they do is they try to give him food, so that way the monkey would drop the item. So if you watch here, he tosses him like some crackers or something, and he drops the phone, and he was able to get the lady's phone back. And I just thought that was like really crazy. So I had my phone in my pocket the whole time. I had my wallet, and like people had their sunglasses stolen, phones stolen, selfie sticks. These monkeys was taking everything, and it was just crazy, guys. But thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure you rate, subscribe, comment, and see you guys on the next one.